Think ISO is just about passing the audit? Think again. For some, it's a badge. For others, a window into new opportunities. But the real value? It's a mirror that shows how your business really works and where it can improve. In this video, we'll break down the 3 mindsets behind ISO compliance and why going deeper builds stronger, smarter systems that work for you. Got the badge but nothing's changed? You're not alone. The badge mindset nails the audit, hangs the certificate, and parks the system on the shelf. Policies get a yearly polish just to keep the sticker current. Sure, it looks credible, but it never fuels improvement. ISO isn't meant to be wallpaper. It should guide the way you plan, deliver, verify, and hand over every day. Ready to move beyond shelfware? Grab our Essentials tier and turn that badge into a living system without hiring consultants. What if ISO could win you work? The window mindset tightens processes, shortens bids, and sparks earlier risk chats. Teams start using reviews to spot gaps before clients do, and compliance becomes your competitive advantage, not a cost line. Sounds strategic? It is, and it starts when people own the workflow, not just the paperwork. Step through the window with our guided plan. Documents plus step-by-step integration support, ready in weeks. Want a system that tells you the truth even when it stings? The mirror mindset uses ISO to reflect daily performance. Patterns pop, rework drops, and improvements become habit. The certificate is just the receipt. The real value is a culture that asks, how can we do this better tomorrow? That reflection needs living documents, engaged people, and clear data in every sprint and in every shift. Level up with our professional or partnered tiers for training and expert facilitation that keep the mirror polished. So, badge, window, or mirror? Where's your organization sitting right now? Whatever the answer is, our team is here to help you level up. When you're ready to turn paperwork into progress, visit IntegriSURE.com.au to learn more and start building your system your way today.